We're recording the bloopers now. We're recording the bloopers.
What is it? Oh, does it not?
Luna, what are you doing?
No, I can't be shut. Oh my god. Wait, are you recording?
I'm doing the bloopers, yeah.
Like, our party was a dinosaur destination. After school, he been saying, "Send your flappy face." What do you say, flappy face?
No, Spark.
Flappy face.
Spark, do the Ninja Turtle song. I dare you. What? Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, you're the best at singing. Luna, where do you go? What?
Do you think Luna and what Wildcraft is?
Do you know what Wildcraft is?
Yeah.
Well, thank goodness.
No way.
Oh my god, how does she know about...
know what Wild...
Oh my god, she knows what Wildcraft is. Oh my god.
Einstein.
Oh my goodness. She's like new and improved.
Why are you looking at me like that? The best.
I like to move it. She likes to move it. Luna, remember when you were making out the tree? You were making out the tree.
Make
Making out the tree.
Look, children like each other. Wow.
Wow.
What's your opinion on South Park?
What?
South Park. I love South Park. It's funny.
I have no idea what you're even talking about.
You don't know.
No.
You have a lie?
No, I don't think so.
No, you don't.
Email?
Oh my goodness. Excuse me.
Luna, what the hell?
It's trying to funny say,
Oh my goodness. What were you supposed to be doing? What?
What do you mean? My toe. What toe?
What?
This is my big toe. This is my little toe.
No. No, Spark.
Yeah.
Do the criminal version, but the toe version.
Mama, I'm in love with someone's toes. That's all.
Mama, I'm in love with a criminal. Luna.
Shut
Luna.
up.
Luna.
Yeah.
Do you like Britney Spears? Do you like Britney?
Yeah.
Yes.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
Does she like Britney Spears?
Yeah, I love Britney Spears.
Taylor Swift is better.
I hate Taylor Swift. She's so awful.
Britney Spears is Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
No.
I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh. What the? Why do you just lick the camera? You licked the camera. Oh my god.
John. Now I swear. Now I'm texting Ryan Reynolds and calling him baby girl.
What the? Been here the whole time, if you could see it, the one who understands you.
What if they die?
What?